In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Printify. Whether you're new to the e-commerce world or looking to expand your product offerings, this integration will streamline your business operations and let you focus on creating and selling great products. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to fire up your computer and open your internet browser. Navigate over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens for your online store and where you'll manage everything from products to orders. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu. Look for Apps and give it a click. This is your gateway to the Shopify App Store, where you can find and integrate various tools to enhance your store's functionality. Once in the Shopify App Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Printify. Printify is a great print-on-demand service, perfect for adding custom merchandise to your Shopify store without having to carry any inventory yourself. Hit Enter, and you should see Printify pop up on your screen. Click Add App to initiate the installation process. After this, a new page will ask you to install the Printify app. Don't worry about the techie details here. Shopify does an excellent job of making installation straightforward. Simply click the Install button to proceed. This action will effectively tie Printify to your Shopify store, preparing you for the next step. At this point, you'll be prompted to either log into your Printify account or sign up for a new one if you haven't done so already. If you're signing up, you'll just need some basic information to get started. If you're logging in, enter your credentials and continue. This connection is crucial because it allows Printify to sync with your store, updating orders and products as needed. The final step in this integration process is confirming permissions. You'll see a list of permissions that Printify needs to function seamlessly with your Shopify store. This might include accessing certain product information, managing orders, and so on. It's important to review these permissions to understand what access you're granting. Once you're comfortable, click Confirm to complete the integration. And there you have it, a seamless way to integrate Shopify with Printify. This setup will enable you to easily add print-on-demand products to your store, expand your offerings, and automate parts of your sales process. Remember, having a diverse product range can greatly enhance your store's appeal and profitability. This integration is just one of many ways to optimize your business processes and improve your customers' shopping experience. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. I hope you found it straightforward and informative. Be sure to explore other features within Printify and Shopify to fully leverage this dynamic duo for your online business success.